Hey y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I am deconstructing a very old project to make a new project. This has been hanging out in my craft room for quite a while. I have made a solar boho chandelier out of a Dollar Tree hanging planter. I used it for many years. When the lights finally quit working, the planter was still in good shape and I hated to throw it away, so now I just have to trim away all of the old stuff and get it down to bare essentials. I found this 20 by 20 artificial hedge panel at the at-home store for $9.99. I immediately was taken by the price because I thought for the size that this was a really great price. I laid the hanging basket in the center of the hedge panel and I zip tied it in two places to the bottom of the basket. The panel does come with zip ties, just not enough to use for this project, so I used some that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to zip tie the corners and then I'm going to pull the corners in towards the bottom of the basket and zip tie them so that they begin to take on a round shape. If there is a pucker in the panel, put a zip tie in to that corner and pull it in tight until the entire basket is round. You can hang the basket as is, or you can add some faux greenery to the top. This is perfect for those areas that do not get enough sun or gets too much sun, or if you are a serial plant killer, or if you're an individual like myself who like the looks of greenery but do not have the time to maintain plants. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded a new video. Thanks for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.